good morning, and happy Monday. Today is a new vlog. Welcome to the weekly vlog. My name is Sade. If you're new here, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today is March 14th. I'm at work right now. Usually I always start it out at work because that's when I have time, like in the mornings, to start out the vlog. But I'm on my prep right now. The bell is actually about to ring, but I have prep back to back, so I have another period. Not free, but I'm planning. I think I want to run out and go get coffee though, because your girl is crashing. I feel like, so tomorrow I'm 37 weeks and I am so exhausted, y'all. Like every second I get, I want to sleep. I am so sleepy right around the clock. I could just wake up and I'm sleepy. So I think I'm gonna go get some coffee. There go the bell. I think I'm gonna go get some coffee so I can wake up. A student's about to come in, so I'll catch y'all a little bit afterwards, because they're not about to catch me slipping. I'm gonna go grab coffee real quick because I'm literally crashing. Like, I feel so tired. I don't know why I always hear people talk about like nesting, and like I'm thinking nesting starts like right about now, where I have all the energy to do everything. But I've been so exhausted. It's exhausting for how exhausted I've been. Like, I don't know, and I'm not used to not feeling productive. Like, it's a difference when I'm being lazy and like procrastinating versus when I want to be, you know, I'm at work and I want to make my lesson count and I want to do all these things, but it's just not giving. I don't have the energy. Like, yo, I don't even have the energy to breathe. Like, I legit don't even have the energy to breathe, but I'm breathing through. But I'm on my way to go get some coffee, and yes, I could drink coffee, so please don't come for me. I can, and I don't even drink that much, and it is what it is. But anyway, let me tell you how this morning somebody took my parking spot. So at work, right, our parking lot at work is so small that before I was pregnant, I never parked in the lot because there's never any parking there. But when you're pregnant, they have like these pregnancy parking spots for people who are reserved. So before me, it was 2 of us that were pregnant that we clearly knew about. So this one lady, she was way ahead of me. Like, she had her baby back in February. So obviously, and at the time I didn't know I was pregnant, so I didn't feel the need to like, oh, I need preferential parking or whatever. But actually, she went out on maternity, so I'm like, all right, I'm up next, let me start using this parking spot. So that's just been my parking spot, so I don't have to worry about, when I'm on my way to work in the mornings, I don't have to worry about parking or anything like that. I just pull up right next to the building. This morning I'm all late, and I was running late this morning. Not gonna happen again. I'll go in ready to make my turn. It's somebody in the parking spot. So I was like, no, ain't no way somebody in this parking spot. I know who drive the car, right? And I was like, no way, because she been pregnant. No shade. I'm just like, no way. I know she's not pregnant. She's probably just running late too, and just because people do that sometimes, and they have to send out emails like, don't remember not to park in the whatever. But she really pregnant. I saw her and she really pregnant. She a whole 5 months pregnant. So now it's a competition because I'm not losing. I got 3 weeks left, sis. And then she's all like, I'm fine. I'm like, I'm not. It's a struggle, y'all. I can't even put on my panties no more. TMI. Like, I'm over it. I got tomorrow makes 37 weeks, so that leaves 3 weeks left, and I am so exhausted. I am so tired. Like, sleeping has been rough. Just my body, just, I don't know. And I've tried not to complain because everybody's just like, you know, you didn't know for so long, so you had it good. So I'm trying not to be like whiny or complaining, but like, the struggle is getting real. I feel like I'm entitled now to like do a little complaining, but I'm not like crazy complaining, obviously. But on a good note, on a brighter note and a lighter note, I get to see baby K today. Today I have his, so I did have a regular ultrasound, like his anatomy scan back in February, but they wanted me to follow up with another one. So I have one today where I'm gonna get to see him. Hopefully he's growing well. I know he's growing because child, I can feel it. I can feel it. But hopefully everything is great with him. Whatever they want to check, they are checking, and he's great. Last time he was fine, everything added up and all that. So I'm just guessing they're gonna compare last ultrasound to now. And then I have this week alone, I have 3 appointments for pregnancy. Like today, which is Monday, I have a regular ultrasound to check up on baby K. Then on Wednesday, I have my regular 37 weeks checkup, and on Thursday I have a stress test because my doctor ordered for me to do stress tests starting at 36 weeks. I didn't go to the one last week because they didn't have any dates available, so I'm going to the first one this week. And I already talked to I have to take off time off work a little bit, so it's not really messing with my work schedule, but I had a conversation with my supervisor, let them know, you know, I have these appointments to go, so I'll be going during this time that I'm taking to go get coffee, you know, and stuff like that. So I don't need any coverage for my classroom because it's during my break, so it kind of worked out. But yeah, so yeah, and that's how it's gonna be until he gets here. So I have weekly appointments for my regular checkup and weekly appointments for the stress test. So I'm excited to see him today. His dad get to see him too, so Sweets get to see him. Sweets haven't been, like, you know, when I go to appointments, I record the heartbeat for him and send it and stuff like that. But the only time Sweet saw him, like, without me taking pictures or whatever, is when we went for the anatomy scan back in February. So he gets to come to the anatomy scans, which is great because we can't use cell phones, we can't record or anything. So I'm assuming that's why they allow another person to come. So we're gonna go today. Hopefully we get some good shots of his face. Last time we got his face, I'm like, he don't look like none of us, child. Who does baby look like? Himself. So I mean, I know you can't really, I don't know if you can really judge off of that. I wanted to do the 3D ultrasound, but I decided not to. I don't know. I'm so close to the date, might as well just wait to really see what he gonna look like in person. But I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, on my way to go get my coffee. They need to open a Starbucks closer to my workplace because I really be driving to go get me some Starbucks. But I'll check back in once I get Starbucks. I think I'm just gonna do the famous TikTok ice white mocha. I'm gonna show y'all when I get it.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen.
So I got my ice white mocha. I am so sleepy, it's crazy. I keep saying it and y'all probably like, okay. But I'm legit, I don't think I've ever felt this tired in my life. But I'm so tired. Whew. What are the gas prices in y'all area? Comment down below and let me know. Right now it's $4.79 a gallon for gas. What? Oh my gosh, comment down below and let me know how much is gas in y'all area because it's ridiculous. Anyway guys, my camera is blinking, so I guess I will check y'all later. I'm just heading back to work. Not much really happening at work, so I'll catch y'all probably after our baby K appointment. Alright y'all, see y'all later. Hey guys, so this escalated quickly. I am at where would I be at? Not the emergency room, the maternity ward. I am at the maternity ward because I went to I told y'all earlier that I had a ultrasound appointment, and I went to that and they measured my fluid is low. So they sent me, it is half of what it should be right now. So they sent me in for monitoring. Freaked out. This one trying to tell me to calm down.
Where we going?
I am trying to calm down, y'all. Like, I am. But obviously, I'm going to be scared. I'm going to be, you know, panicking and stuff. So, yeah, guys. Hopefully, this is not the start of my labor and delivery vlog. I'm not even get to do